Oh, the guy. Hey, what's up? It's Shiraz, and welcome back. I am so sorry. I did say that I was trying to be more regular on video uploads, but it's just been really crazy because I have grad school and startups, and it's just been a lot. So I just found out recently that TikTok was big in Mauritius. I had no idea, and honestly, I'm so anxious to see like what Mauritian content is on TikTok because I didn't know there was that much. So I'm going to watch a few today and react to them. Okay, let's get in. Okay. So first impression of TikTok is fucking sick. I think I'm going to be addicted to this. This is awesome. But let's go to Mauritius. Okay, my expectations are like super high. 142 million views? That's crazy. Which one do I choose? Alright, let's try this.
That first beat is right on time, right on top. Like they say that can say that like they say
Next.
பொதுவா வந்து இந்திய ரூபாய் நோட்டை எடுத்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா வந்து அதுல வந்து 15 மொழிகள் இருக்கும். அதுல வந்து ஒரு இரண்டை வந்து ஊ, மூன்றை வந்து ஞா அந்த மாதிரி குறிப்பிடலாம். ஆனா நம்ம இந்திய ரூபாய் நோட்ல அதெல்லாம்
लेरी पतली कमर
गणपति बाप्पा.
Okay, I'll probably be here for like a while. I thought it was going to be easy, but okay. Okay. It's like that like prepubescent musically. What about this?
तुम भी मेरा दूध पी सकते हो ठंडा है ताजा है मलाई से भरा हुआ है
Yo, she looked so sick. She's up. I just wanted to like the bloody video. Why do I need to sign up? Alright, can I? Yes! 17,000 followers. She's huge. Okay, great. Okay, I'm over it. Alright, let's next. What was that? She was awesome. What? Oh, we got hit by this like triple swerve from the back. That was sick. Oh, I wish I looked that cool. She looked so cool. Why was I not here since the beginning? Yes! I want to see more. Oh. Wow, she's so good. Ashmi1, you are so good. Her expression is on point. Maybe I should do one too. Like double tap. Okay, no, this is like awesome. Yes, subscribe. I want to see more. Whoa! What? It was so cool. I feel like this video is turning into me just saying this is fucking sick after I watch every single like TikTok video. Alright, let's see.
Ti conte gâte de pe cuit apse qui les dalles, no? Se donne-moi de fea. No le muestro. Soy niña.
Non è mai toi. What did it ask?
Soy niña.
She is like so funny.
खोया खोया इन राहों में अब मेरा कुछ भी नहीं.
Whoa, she commits. Wow, I am obsessed, Vanisha. I am obsessed with you. You give me life.
Bonjour a tous, mijn message pour passer als dit. En je moet lo TikTok. Maar pas que je moet ça en user ha plutôt. Li pen aucune photo, li pen aucune vidéo, lo sa account. Je moet là, li prend mon vidéo, li share lo Facebook pour montrer que moi, me fait vidéo bouffon, ok? Mais quand ni même ça, je moet là, li pen aucun talent, li pen un rien. Mais qu'il fait le TikTok, li dis là pour les affaires du monde.
He called the bitch out. I didn't know there was drama in Mauritius on TikTok. What? What? I have not been keeping up. This is awesome. What's the drama? What's the drama? I want to know who you had beef with. Good job, girl. Go, keep going. It's awesome. Oh, Tefata. Oh, the guy. No, no. Oh my gosh, what an emotional roller coaster. I'll be here for a while. Oh, Music Girl has a brother.
Wrong? My man ain't shit. Girl, what's wrong? My man ain't shit. Girl, what's wrong? My man ain't
That's
shit.
not your brother? I felt like I was tricked. Oh,
Ouvert la cuisse madame. Toi, Jason et bis toi, tout le monde pèse toi. Allez, bon courage. Asté, Tomo. Code pour mettre ça, docteur? Ou d'un fils.
fuck. What was that? At least they were adults. At least they were adults.
C'est plein en toi. C'est fatigué. Je n'ai plus capable.
Nope. If he's not gonna get hit by a bus, I don't care. Y'all, fuck.
कल रात ऑनलाइन मिली एक लड़की मैं बोला चैटिंग करेगी क्या सिंगल सेटिंग करेगी क्या वैसे तो लगे है कर रही
I wonder like how many times he had to do it to get like that shot. He just goes in his room. He spends like the next 3 hours taking those 3 videos. Okay, let's just do like a video. How do I do?
No, God!
Oh my god.
No, God, please, no! No! No!
Oh, that was on Musical.ly. Fuck, should you watch one?
No!
I don't want to watch it. They look fucking awful. They look so bad. Oh no. Oh. You know when you get like so embarrassed, you're like toe curls? Like that's what I'm feeling. This is...
Steady beat goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Steady heart goes, I love you more. I know sometimes it's confusing.
Oh my gosh, no. This was so awful. No. You need to calm down. You need to calm down. Like, what the fuck?
There goes the alarm ringing in my head. Like somebody said, don't you trust him? No. Texting from his ex, what did you expect? Now you're lying here, knowing where he goes. Now we got that itch.
Goodbye. Okay, that's it. I'm leaving. Bye.